Snack Club gone wild. So last month, my friends and I decided we needed to be more cultured, which is code for we saw a meme about book clubs and wanted an excuse to eat fancy cheese. We picked out a very serious-sounding novel for our first meeting. I showed up with a copy of the book, a notepad, and a pack of Brie stuffed crackers, ready for some highbrow literary analysis. My friend Jen arrived with a bottle of wine, Dave brought 4 types of hummus, and Sarah walked in carrying an entire cheesecake and, presumably, zero intention of discussing anything printed on paper. The first meeting went off the rails before anyone even mentioned a character's name. We spent 2 hours debating whether pita chips or pretzel rods were better for scooping hummus, and somehow, someone installed a cheese board app on my phone. By the third meeting, nobody was even bringing the book anymore. Instead, the group chat was just a series of GIFs rating different chip and dip combos, and Sarah tried to convince us that cheesecake counts as a savory snack if you squint hard enough. Things escalated when Jen suggested we have a themed snack night to match the book, except nobody remembered the book's title, so we just picked a theme based on whatever was on sale at the grocery store. That's how we found ourselves sitting in a circle, solemnly dipping Oreos into guacamole, while Dave read dramatic passages from the back of a cereal box. At one point, a neighbor knocked to ask what book we were discussing, and the only answer we could honestly give was the nutritional information on this salsa jar. By the end of the month, we had a waiting list of people who wanted to join, not for the literature, but for the competitive snack tasting bracket we'd accidentally invented. So yeah, we technically started a book club, but after 3 meetings, the only plot twist we'd experienced was discovering that Cool Ranch Doritos pair best with not reading the book.